While browsing Amazon randomly, I found a very useful and important tech product. It's the Airmoto portable tire inflector. Imagine you are driving a car, suddenly you see that the tire has low air, there is no garage nearby, you also do not have much time. At this moment, if you have a solution inside your car, that solution is the Airmoto portable tire inflector and power kit bundle. This device is small in size but very powerful. It is fully portable and cordless. That means you can use it easily without any wear. It has 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. It can give air pump to 120 psi very accurately. You just attach it to the tire, set up the pressure, press the start button. When the tire pressure is reached, it is auto shut off. So it is very safe even for beginners. It supports 4 pressure unit, PSI, bar, kPa and kg per cm. You can use the unit you use too. For night or dark place, it has built a LED light. This is very helpful emergencies. This is a bundle deal, so you get fully charging support. Car adapter for charging for the car, 5V 2A fast charging adapter for home use, Type C charging support. So where you are on the road on at home, there is no worry about charging. This device is not only for cars, it comes with many adapters. One square adapter, second pasture adapter, three needle adapter, and fourth general nozzle corn. In short, you can use it for car, bicycle, motorcycle, sports, balls and pool toys. And the best thing at the end, to keep the power kit and all adapters safe, you get one carrying case. Everything stays in one place. Clean, safe and easy to carry, easy to keep in the car and easy to find. If you travel often, if you drive a car or bike, or if you want a smart safety gadget for emergencies, this product can be very useful for you. I am putting the Amazon link in the video description. You can click link and check the price details and reviews, because many things a small device can save you from big trouble on the road.